Hello, welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I am doing some decluttering for my dad. So we're back in my parents' closet. My mom is going to be here helping as well. He has told us what he wants to get rid of. So he's not going to be on the video because he's very busy, but we are going to be helping him go through his stuff and declutter everything. Within the last few days, he's gone through everything and decided what he doesn't want, and then I just noticed a whole bunch of ties, so we just quickly went through that as well. So we're just gonna start pulling all the items out.
Old work shirts, we'll get rid of these. Lots of Hawaiian shirts. This is the end of the shirts.
That's a lot.
That's a lot.
We just went through his belts because I noticed he had a lot, and this is the amount he's getting rid of. He still has quite a few. He did work and had to go to a job where he dressed up every single day, but these are well worn, I have to say. I was really surprised. So he's decided to get rid of 6 belts. So that's a real improvement on the amount of space he's gonna have in here. So he wore a tie every day to work for a long time, and he's decided to let all these go, and he's keeping 3 ties just in case he ever has to dress up again.
I still iron every one of his shirts. It's ridiculous. I hate ironing, but I do it.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
He has so much room now in his closet.
Oh my. White shirts, Hawaiian shirts, plaid shirts, long sleeve shirts, and warm shirts. Very good. Now for the pants too. So here's the pants he's getting rid of.
Looks like he's decided to get rid of 5 pairs of pants, and it looks like he's still keeping about 8, which is a really good amount, so he can still go on a trip and dress up every day if he wanted to,
Yeah.
and perfect. What does this mean for you?
It means it's just not so overwhelming.
Less laundry, maybe?
He does his own laundry. He's perfect. I wish he learned how to iron. Maybe when he retires he can learn how to iron. I don't even iron my clothes, nothing. I shake it, I hang it.
There's room between the hangers. This is the pile so far. A lot of this he had pulled out of drawers as well. That is a lot of clothes. At the end of this year, my dad is retiring and he's gonna be at home now, and all of these clothes were from his career, his life career, going to work every day, dressing up with ties and suits and nice shirts. So he's not gonna need to do that very often anymore, if at all. So he's decluttering all this stuff, and a lot of it is in really good condition. There are some shirts that are from his company that we are going to destroy because we don't want the logo going out to people. But all of these items, my mom just mentioned, there's what?
A homeless shelter, a new one in town. We have a lot of homeless, so we'll take these clothes that are really in good condition and take them over there.
Another place where you could donate clothes is sometimes colleges have programs for students that are going to be graduating that don't have any work clothes. And if you have a lot of suits and nice work clothes, you could check your local college and see if they have the program to donate work clothes. My mom's friend told us about a local program, and some of her friends have donated clothes there after their husbands have quit working, and it just helps the poor college kids to have something to wear to a job interview.
You hold it up, you drop it.
Why can't I do it?
Don't undo it. Just grab it by the
out?
arms and then it falls down.
Oh,
Just
I
get
thought you
the
had to
hook
undo
from-
the button.
No, don't undo the button.
Oh, I get it. A lot of these clothes he has gathered over, what, 30 years?
Yes.
It's a lot that's
Yes.
just accumulated over time, so it's time to get rid of it.
It's not like he just went shopping.
He also found 2 pairs of shoes that he doesn't want anymore. This is one way that you can help people that need help decluttering, is just have them go through their stuff and pick out or choose what they don't want, and then sometimes it's overwhelming or people don't have the time to do everything. So that's why we're helping him, because he just doesn't know where to drop things off and all that. So we're kind of doing it for him, even though he did have to choose what he wanted to keep, obviously. But that's just one thing. If a family member needs help, that's what we're doing to try to help him declutter and motivate him to get it done so it's not so overwhelming.
And I really like what one of Shannon's followers said, was that if you have to give it to someone who's helping you, the clothes, no, wait, that's not it.
What?
It's if you're helping somebody and they want to give it to you and you say, okay, I'll take it, that's a good thing, because then they feel like, I know for me, I feel like it's going somewhere and I can part with it because somebody wants it.
So yeah, if it's gonna help somebody, for sure,
take it. Don't let them see you throw it away on the way out. Just wear everything once in front of them.
Take it, donate it.
Donate it. There you go. Now we have to declutter hangers, because I've been gathering them up and putting them in all my closets throughout the house. So I'm starting a new way of hoarding, actually. It's hangers, empty hangers.
Hanger hoarding.
Yeah.
A really good way to haul your stuff to the donation location of your choice, I know I've mentioned it before, is trash bags. I always thought everything had to have a box and then I'd be searching for boxes, but I found that trash bags actually work the best. They fit easier in the car and it's easier just to grab them and bring them in. That's what we're gonna do now. I think the underwear we throw away.
Oh yeah.
We're not gonna donate the underwear.
No, those go in the trash.
How long did it take Dad ahead of time?
Not too long. He did it like at night and then the other stuff in the morning, so maybe an hour.
Okay, so an hour for my dad to decide what he's gonna keep, what he's gonna get rid of. Then maybe an hour of us loading it all up, taking
and
it out.
videoing.
And videoing, that takes longer. So 2 hours altogether to get rid of 5 trash bags worth of stuff is pretty amazing.
Yeah.
And again, he's having a little bit of a life change with the retirement, so that's one reason why he's donating so many items.
Well, he was feeling overwhelmed with all those shirts. He wore the same ones all the time because he probably couldn't decide or couldn't rip them out of there. They were so packed in. So
Yeah.
I think now he'll wear a variety.
Yeah.
I'm hoping. If I don't see him wear some, I'm just going to sneak them out one at a time.
And the nice thing is now when I look at their closet, I can see there's a lot more room in there, and it just makes it feel a lot fresher and just more space between each item. I think that just
looks way better.
Makes you feel better, I think.
Yeah, it does. It makes me feel better.
Yeah, definitely. Because they share a closet, so yeah, makes you feel better. What's next that we're going to declutter?
Well, I don't know if there's anything. There's probably a lot, but maybe
we could go through
Christmas.
Okay.
Christmas, maybe my
few items.
Yeah.
Not a lot.
Maybe my art.
It's more of a slow decluttering process with my parents because they've had everything for a really long time and you get attached to things, so
it's just overwhelming, but there are shelves and bins and things that we can go through, and I will feel better once it's done. Yeah.
So this will probably become maybe a little short series of when she has time and up for it.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll call it Getting Rid of Kathy's Crap.
Thank you so much for joining us today. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Welcome back to my parents' house. Okay, I'm laughing too hard.
Okay, you take it like this. You drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. There, got it.
This is the second time videoing in my parents' house. I'm just gonna say right here on the wall is a painting of a naked lady. So it has made videoing so difficult. Naked lady.
The thing, I should be looking there.
Look there. Or else people will comment, You're not looking at the camera.
Now my eyes go like, The man who invented the toilet is Mr. Crapper. That's why they call it crap. It's not a bad word, it's a man's name. Introducing you to the naked lady.
Here she is.
Here she is.
I had to try to avoid her at all costs.
Yeah, she's annoying, but that's all right.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drop my one. Wanna move my feet. Wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet.